Good afternoon. My name is Jericho Cabansag from BIT 117. So today is about how to save money. For our audience, people wants to save money and purpose to give people tips and tricks on how to save money efficiency. Language register is form and register. So the topic is cyclical saving method. So ano nga ba what is cycling saving method? So, saving is also involves reducing expenditures such as recurring costs, methods of savings, includes putting money, is different between linear and cyclical saving method. So, however, the thing that people who save more when encouraged should view time in a cyclical fashion which emphasize recurrent behavior patterns that will encourage to view the time in linear fashion, which emphasize the time remaining to achieve goals. The next is advantage cyclical saving method. So, advantage of cyclical saving method is across the studies in individuals using a purpose cyclical saving method provide an average of 74% higher savings. Estimate and save average of 78% more money when compared to those using a linear saving method. So for next is lower energy costs. So for lower energy costs is renewable energy. For renewable energy comes from unlimited natural replenishment resources such as the sun, tides, and wind. Renewable energy can be used for electrical generations, space water, heating and cooling, and transportations. So efficient appliances is energy efficient place and equipment use technologies that are less energy intensive to reduce the amount of electricity used for product. Thank you for learning about the topic. So my name is Jericho Bansag. My group is Tabilion James Matthew and from BIT 170. Thank you.